Hey everyone, here I am with another shot, and today we'll be learning how to say I am a woman or I am a man in French. In previous video, we learned how to say I am a boy or I am a girl in French. So quickly revising it, for I am a boy, you will say Je suis un garçon. Je suis un garçon. Garçon is for boy. And for I am a girl, you will say Je suis une fille. Je suis une fille. Right? For I am a man, you will say Je suis un homme. Je suis un homme. And for I am a woman, you will say Je suis une femme. Je suis une femme. Je suis une femme. Femme is woman. Homme is man. Garçon is boy. And similarly, fille is girl. Thank you. Consider subscribing the channel too for more such videos, and do share it with your friends as well.
You just always